In this section, we're going to talk about the robots.txt file. What this file does is it allows us to block certain directories, folders, files from web robots, also called crawlers or spiders. They're just these programs that browse the web and index certain contents and websites, and it's how Google gets all their listings, all the websites. So we don't want robots scanning, let's say, the admin directory. We don't want that indexed in Google, so we can block that from within a file called robots.txt. Now with WordPress, and I should just say, by the way, this is the robots.txt.org website, which explains it in depth. There's even a list of all the current robots. I think there's about 300 of them or so. Yeah, 302. And you can actually look at specifics on each bot. And there's just a whole bunch of information here. But as I was saying, WordPress doesn't have a physical robots.txt file. It does, however, it serves up a virtual or generates a robots.txt file. But we can replace it and add more to it if we want, which is what we'll do. So let me log in through FTP or through secure FTP. Alright, so in the, let's see, public HTML, our WordPress site is in the blog directory, and you can see that there is no physical robots.txt file. However, like I said, there is a virtual one that's being served up, and it is honored by Google. But what we want to do is create a new one, because I'll show you what is actually included in the virtual file. So we want to call this robots and keep the txt extension. Let me open that up, and let me just grab and paste in what the default looks like. So this is what's in the virtual robots.txt. We're protecting the admin directory as well as the includes directory. And we can add whatever we want here. We can create let's say this videos directory. Alright, we can actually just copy that, paste that in, and if I save this and upload it, search engine robots will not scan the videos directory. So I'm going to add in a couple more things here. So this is going to make it so the bots can't scan the plugins folder, the cache, themes, and also the well, we don't need this because we have includes up here. But this is just an example of what we could do. So let's just save that. And if we upload this, and that's all we would have to do. Now, since my WordPress installs in a subdirectory called blog, and in the root directory I also have a robots.txt file that blocks this entire domain, because this domain is just for my own staging and testing and things like that. This wouldn't actually work, because it would just take the robots.txt file in the root directory and apply that, which blocks everything. But I'm showing you this as if you had your own WordPress install, even if it was in a subdirectory. As long as you don't have the text file in the root, that you'll be fine. You just can't have more than one, as far as I know. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple to understand. You just add the folders that you don't want search engines to scan. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.